Hey everybody, thank you again for entering our drawing and supporting us to 100,000 subscribers. We're gonna pick some winners of this prize pack. Special thanks to Ethos for this amazing product that we got to give to you guys. So we've got the Defy, the Resist, and the Pro Shine. I feel like Jacob's gonna come in and say hi. No, I got the finger instead. Oh, he did come and say hi. So we're gonna be using a YouTube random comment picker right now. So right off from the top, let's see who we got. Our first winner is Matt Wagner. I'm addicted to this channel. Wish you guys were closer. There's our first winner right there, Matt. Screenshotted. All right, picking another winner. John Smith. I'm sure a lot of people think that that looks easy, but they get all dressed up in overalls and a respirator for a few hours. That will change their minds. Thank you for all the videos. It's so gratifying to watch, and congratulations. John Smith, thank you. Second winner. Let's see who we got. Number 3, Glenn Grimsdale. All your videos are enjoyable to watch, as well as listening to the music, whilst lovely cars get amazingly polished. All boxes are ticked for a relaxing quality show. Looking forward to your new projects. Congrats on reaching this YouTube milestone. Keep going. There are a lot of missed milestones ahead. Well deserved. Thank you, Glenn. Number 3. All right. Number 4, Chipaz. I've been watching you guys since you started posting on YouTube. Your work is extremely impressive, and attention to detail is beyond compare. Too bad I'm on the other coast where I'd send all of my cars to you to get a refresh. I just get enjoyment, and I've learned a lot from just your videos. Congrats on your success, and all your hard work is paid off. Chipos, thank you. All right, Agent Soshi, next winner. Damn, I think I missed this one. Hopefully the channel keeps growing. It's great to see this sort of high-end work published online. And it's within the time limit. Wait, no it's not. You did miss this one. 26th. Sorry, Soshi. Doesn't count. All right, another 5th one. Kevin Rowley. I found your channel while looking up dry ice cleaning. Now it's one of my favorites. The quality of videos is art. The detailing work is amazing. Sometimes I just queue up the videos and play them as a form of relaxation. My personal favorite is the black Saab 900 Turbo. Kevin Rowley, thank you. Our next winner, Neil Garrett. Portion content's the best. Keep detailing. All right. Next one. XYZ, the 914 Safari dry ice cleaning is my personal favorite. Next winner. Mateo Costanzo. Congrats on 100K, you deserve it. Your level of detailing is incredible. I really enjoyed the video about the Lancia Delta, also because I most love Lancia Deltas. Me too. Mateo. All right. Next one is Junior LeBron. Awesome job, unbelievable work. Boom. Okay, quick interjection. So, Junior, your comment was too late. So, I picked another one. The winner is Derek Osterman. I'll upload the random generator to prove that's the case. Now, on with the rest of the video. And our last winner, Dallas GTR. Even though you're thousands of miles away, your video content goes to show your skills are top notch. Bless from the UK. Keep the energy going, and see you guys at the next 200,000 subs. So, there's our 10 winners. I'm gonna reach out to each of you individually in the last comments and link to this video. And then if each of you would please go to our website, imdetailing.com, go to this contact submission form, and please let us know with a screenshot of the email from YouTube saying that I commented on your post that you have won the prize. Then we'll figure out details, and we'll package you up a nice prize pack with one of each of these Ethos, and then either a hat or a hoodie. Thank you guys for 100K. We got another great video coming to you on Thursday and Sunday. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Thank you so much for supporting us, and we will see you soon.